Sen Larissa Lexter. Ayun, may pa-post si Maymay Entrata, mga kaibigan, may pa-music pa. I thank God every single day for giving me the man I used to pray for. Alam kong you've been through so much, my love. Ang dami mong pinagdaanan. You've experienced pain, feeling alone, people leaving you, hurting you, and disrespecting you. Pero kahit ganun pa man, you never let your pain change who you are. You still choose to be kind. You still choose to respect people. You still choose to love. Kaya ang dali mo lang ako nakuhang mahalin kahit chat. Ganun pala yun, Maymay. You came into my life at a time when I was slowly losing hope. Kala ko baka hindi na talaga darating ang taong pinagdarasal ko. But God had a different plan. He gave me you. Thank you for loving... Uy, parang kanta yun, Maymay. Thank you for loving me so gently. Thank you for always being consistent, for opening every door for me, for making me feel like I'm the most beautiful girl in the whole world. Kahit sa mga araw na feeling ko, I'm at my worst. Thank you for listening to understand me, not just to answer. For praying with me every single day. Thank you kasi niligawan mo din si Lola with so much respect. Aww, sweet naman. For flying all the way to the Philippines for just 3 days para makasama ako sa birthday ng mama ko. Kasi alam mong magiging sobrang lungkot ako sa araw na yan. Thank you for never disrespecting me, not even as a joke. Thank you for never making me feel small. You're always so mindful of my heart. You do the smallest things every day just to make me smile. You cry when I cry. My happiness becomes your happiness. And no matter how busy life gets or how far the distance is, you always find a way to see me every month. Aww, kastos nun Maymay ha, America to Philippines. Minsan naisip ko, what did I ever do to deserve this kind of love? Maybe I never earned it. Maybe this is simply God's grace. His way of reminding me that He heard every prayer I whispered when no one else knew I was crying. Oh, nakakaiyak naman. Thank you for loving me in a way that feels safe. Thank you for reminding me that real love is gentle, patient, consistent, and full of respect. Thank you for your heart, a heart that loves so deeply and gives so selflessly. Marami pa tayong pagdadaanan ng mga pagsubok, pero hanggat alam kong ako lang ang gusto mong makasama habang buhay, asahan mong ikaw lang ang gusto kong uuwian. Mahal kita. P.S. Shari. Ano yung Shari? So, may moment po sila. Aww, cute naman yan. And I think this was when they celebrate 1-year anniversary. Let me hear this, Maymay. Wala akong marinig. Bakit ganon? Wait. Wala akong marinig, Maymay. This one is... Oh, cute naman. Ano si Maymay na pa-throwback. Kaya nga ito pala yung nanligaw siya kay Lola. Sa Maynila. Ang cute. Binigay kay Maymay.
Na tayong di magkasunduan. Ikaw.
Ito yung birthday ng mama niya. Tapos umuwi si Joaquin. Tapos yung mga simple things. Nagpapasaya kay Maymay. At nag-lock chain sila ng pagmamahalan nila. And another surprise. Ooh, dinner together for 2. Saan kaya to? Hindi ko alam. Pasensya na po, hindi ko po alam saan yan. Kaso walang boses. Nag-Ferris wheel sila. Sakit niyan Maymay. Okay. Anniversary. Anniversary again. Anniversary. Mansari maybe. Oh, anniversary. America. By the beach. Sweet naman. Ang sweet naman ang anniversary nila. So yes, yan po ay meron po siyang 95 comments because this was posted how many minutes ago? How many hours ago? 14 hours ago. Oh, ito nga pala yung kagabi na hindi ko mabuksan kasi wala ko internet. But then, yes, my napakaswerte naman. At pati si Lola ay mamaludip. Niligawan pa ni Joaquin. And nakakaiyak din yung mga mensahe, may. So, hindi nga maganda yung mag-judge ka straight away kasi hindi mo alam kung anong nangyari at anong mangyayari at ano pa ang susunod na kabanata. So, yes, we are happy for you and stay active. Not just on social media but to your showbiz career. Saan man kayo dadalhin pa dahil pareho kayong showbiz personality, sana ay manatili yung pagmamahalan nyo sa isa't isa. O, diba? Alexander Lexter Jules, marami pa po tayong pa-update but yan, hindi natin spoil itong pasasalamat ni Maymay for having Joaquin Enriquez sa kanyang buhay sa ngayon. And sana itong sa ngayon ay hanggang sa dulo na, hanggang yun nga sinasabi nila 24 ever. Kaya pala 24 ever kasi na every 24 of July ang kanilang anniversary. So, Alexander Lexter Jules, magandang gabi. Samantala, ito naman ang ipinost ni Joaquin Enriquez sa kanyang Instagram, mga kaibigan. Being a very proud boyfriend na mapanood ang isang may mentrata na i-perform ang kanta na kung saan napakalaking bagay sa kanilang relationship. What we love, kasi nga pareho nga sila sabay silang gumawa ng music video na ito, mga kaibigan.